Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. My beautiful viewers, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fashion related content. So in this video, we are showcasing a stunning collection of plus size mother of the bride dresses that are sure to make you look and feel amazing on your daughter's wedding big day. Discover a range of trendy and stylish plus size dresses that cater to every taste and preference. From a line to mermaid lace to chiffon, we have got you covered with various designs to complement your body shape and personal style. My beautiful viewers, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fashion related content. We understand that comfort is just as important as style. Our featured dresses are designed with breathable fabric and flexible style house to keep you comfortable throughout the day and night. So you can dance and celebrate without any worries. Find inspiration for accessorizing your dresses with jewelry, shoes and more to create a complete look and polished look for the special occasion. We will offer these tips on selecting the perfect accessories to match your dresses and enhance your overall ensemble. We will provide information on where you can find these beautiful plus size mother of the bride dresses, including popular online retailers and boutiques. So join us as we explore the world of plus size mother of the bride dresses and help you make a choice that you will crush forever. Whether you are looking for a classic, modern or a unique dresses, we have got options that cater to every taste and budget. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Each dresses featured in this video is not only trendy but also designed to flatter your curves and keep you comfortable. We will provide you with the styling tips and suggestions on how to accessorize these outfits to make them uniquely yours. So stay tuned for some fashion inspiration and ideas on how to look your best this season. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident regardless of your size. Embrace your beauty and let these dresses help you do just that. If you find this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.